two ways to adopt AI in your organization. There's a top-down approach where the senior leaders get together, the executive, maybe even at a board level, and they decide what needs to be done with AI. They invest in the infrastructure, they create strict policies, they bring in external consultants, they get it perfect, and then that propagates through the organization. You can do that if you've got a lot of resources. PwC took that approach. They invested $1 billion a couple of years ago to make PwC an AI-driven organization. And so they created their own chatbot called Chat PwC with all the PwC documents. They had lots of training for staff. They had mentoring. They have people available that you can call on if you're getting stuck on anything. So they did it top down and throughout the whole organization. Now, there might be some people here in the room who don't have $1 billion in their budget. So in that case, I reckon the bottom-up approach is better. So enable, support, facilitate each of your teams to have their AI champions who are doing these projects. And that way, you get people comfortable with AI, they're confident using AI, and they actually start using AI in practice. So even if you've got the top-down approach as well, nothing wrong with that, when you start sharing some of the ways that you're using AI at a platform level, let me show you that. When you start using it at a platform level, people are comfortable with it and they're more open to it because they've already used it. And not only have they used it in a training context, but they've actually used it to create value for you, your team, and your organization. Okay, so we're going to talk about professional now, but I think getting them working on projects is the sweet spot if you've got people comfortable using AI.